Hi! Have you ever struggled to carry a lot of tools on a construction site? The newly upgraded wheeled tool backpack combines cart, backpack, and handheld modes, allowing you to easily cope with a variety of work environments, increasing efficiency and reducing your burden. Cart mode. Simply pull up on the backpack's retractable cart handle. It's easy and convenient. It can be moved as easily as pulling a suitcase on flat or long stretches of road. The smooth universal wheel design can easily cope with rough roads or narrow passages. The adjustable pull bar extends from 22.5 inches to 41.5 inches to meet the needs of people of different heights. Backpack mode. This mode is perfect for freeing up your hands, allowing you to maneuver through complex environments and increasing your productivity. Shoulder straps are thickly padded with foam to provide a comfortable carrying sensation. Simply lower the trolley bar, close the zipper, hide the wheels, remove the shoulder straps, and adjust to the right length to quickly switch to backpack mode. When you need to climb a ladder across obstacles and work at heights, the backpack mode will provide more complete portability. Portable model allows you to cope with various scenarios, and short-distance transportation is more convenient. In stairwells or short distances, even if your other hand is not free, you can lift the pack directly by the top reinforced handle for fast transportation. Even at work, it can also be used for exercise. The interior of the backpack is also equipped with a removable organizer inner panel, which can be taken out separately to store small tools or accessories, and flexibly respond to different needs. This large-capacity tool backpack features a high-gloss orange waterproof lining and 3 separate compartments, suitable for hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, and other commonly used tools. Designed for large equipment such as drills, chainsaws, measuring tools, etc. Made of 1680D ballistic-grade woven fabric, abrasion and tear-resistant with rugged waterproof design. The bottom is made of hard molded base, which is stable and durable, not easy to be tipped over when placed, and at the same time effectively preventing the tools from moisture or wear and tear. The built-in combination lock effectively secures your tools from theft or loss when transporting or storing them. The backpack's USB charging port makes it easy to charge your cell phone or other devices on the go, so you no longer have to worry about running out of power. Designed for electricians, mechanics, HVAC engineers, construction workers, maintenance, and other technicians to keep their tools neatly organized and accessible. Srodek, tool backpack bag with wheel.